office supplies. And this is how it shoots. I know you are excited to make this. So without any further delays, let's get started. For this crossbow, you need 4 pencils, a pen lid which is cut from top, an arrow. I'm using a sharp pencil. You can use a straw too. Make sure that the pen lid hole is bigger than the arrow you're using. Few rubber bands, a large rubber band, and a paper clip. So let's begin. First, take 2 of your pencils, take a rubber band and tie them both. So they are tight enough and their bonding is good. Same thing with the other end, using another rubber band. Like this. Now take the other set of pencils and at the end tie a rubber band, only at the end. Like this. Now, taking the first set of pencils which is tied from both the ends, we are going to tie them from both the ends like this. So it's the set which is tied from both the sides is like wing, and this you need to keep the set of pencils which are tied from one side only in the top, and take a small rubber band and start tying from both the ends. Use 2 rubber bands, one for one side. Okay, one end is done. I'm going to use another rubber band. In the middle, it should look like a cross. Now, take the pen lid and another small rubber band. Take the rubber band in the lid. Now, with the end, insert it and start tying. To make it easier, tie it near from the end. Start tying near from the end. And take it ahead. Not that ahead. In the middle of this end. This pencil. Like this. Now, take a rubber band and your paper clip and one of the ends should be tied with the pencil. You need to tie it just behind where we have assembled the pen lid. start tying. So we are able to do it like this, but it goes up. So take another rubber band, take it inside the set, take it a little bit ahead of the clip's mouth, and then open the clip, take it in like this and close the clip and start tying. And when you are done with a rotation, open the mouth and place it in. Like this. Should look like this now. Now take the big rubber band, and you need to assemble this with it. So how to do that? Take one end of the rubber band, take it to both the ends, both of the ends, and then it should be a little bit stretchy, and then open one of the end a little bit, and when it gets in, release. Same, open, release. Look, it should look like this now. Now you need to take this end and then open the clip, take the rubber band inside it, and the clip does hold it, and your crossbow is ready. Just one step remaining. Insert the arrow and get ready to shoot. To shoot it, you will release the clip. Look, it just shooted. And to reload, insert the pencil or arrow again, take the rubber band, insert it, and shoot. So this is the awesome, amazing crossbow. Be careful while playing with this crossbow and never ever target it on anyone's face, as the arrow pencil is sharp and can lead to serious injuries. Now I'm signing off. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.